Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to game share on PS5. Firstly, before you begin, make sure your PS5 is connected and logged in to your PlayStation Network account. On the home screen, select Settings in the top right corner, then go to User and Accounts, other than console sharing and offline play. Select Disable to turn off game sharing on your current PS5. To enable game sharing on the second PS5, connect it to the internet and log into your PSN account. If your account doesn't exist on that console, create a new user. Navigate to Settings, User and Accounts other than console sharing and offline play. Select Enable to activate game sharing on that PS5. Now go to the game library on the second PS5, download the game you want to share, and your friend or family member can now access the game from their own account on that console. And that's it guys, thank you for watching.